Are you feeling tired, unmotivated, or like your strength just isn't what it used to be? What if the real reason has nothing to do with age and everything to do with low testosterone levels? Hi, I'm Brian, and today I'm going to tell you about something that's changing lives across the country: black ox. Before we dive in, an important warning. Due to black ox's growing popularity, counterfeit versions are circulating online. To protect your health and ensure results, only buy through the official website. The link is in the description. So, what exactly is black ox? It's a powerful, natural supplement designed to support men's vitality by boosting testosterone levels safely and effectively. No injections, no prescriptions, just real science-backed results. Here's what it does: more energy, increased muscle strength, enhanced focus and stamina, and yes, better performance in every area of your life. All it takes is 2 capsules a day. Take them with water, preferably with your morning meal, and let the formula do the work from the inside. Men everywhere are talking about it. Mike, 42, said he feels like he's in his 20s again. Chris, 51, shared that his workouts are stronger and his recovery is faster. Thousands of men are turning to Black Ox and they're not looking back. And here's the best part: there's zero risk. You're backed by a full 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel the results, you get your money back. No questions asked. But don't wait too long. Promotional kits are limited and the demand is exploding. Once it's gone, you may have to wait weeks for restock. Click the link in the description now to secure your supply of Black Ox while it's still available. Encapsulate USA. Health on another level. Real results.